Underway dito po sa Prosperidad, Agusan del Sur. Here comes Baterbonia. He'll have a first touch from 3. And here comes Calabarzon. And there's Ali Mamawag, one of their reliable guards sa lineup ng Calabarzon region. That's a 3-point attempt from Mayor. That rolls out. Rebound tracked down by Baterbonia.
Interestingly here, Direk Duterte will come off the bench. He start keep him fresh. But right now, he'll come off the bench.
So plenty of time on the shot clock. Sanoria tracking 3 defenders. Cayetano. 3 is missed. Long rebound tracked down by Maki Pellegrino. Almost knocked away. Cayetano. You can see the swarming defense. Bayenting. 3 is missed. And good box out from Gonzales ng Calabarzon region. San Diego thought about it. About a minute gone by here in the opening frame of this gold medal game. San Diego will try his luck from 3 and Baterbonia with a big boy rebound. Bayenting will direct traffic para dito sa Eagles ng Davao Region. Baterbonia able to locate Maki Pellegrino. Goes aggressive but that was stripped away and here comes Mamawag on the fast break. Baterbonia looks to challenge and Sanoria skying for the rebound. As he got hooked there on the fast break and a foul.
NCR.
So papasok na po off the bench. That's Reinhard Panaligan by the solid outing in the semifinal round. Pellegrino, great discipline on defense. And Pellegrino with the first bucket for the Eagles.
Despite the turnover earlier of Maki Pellegrino, he kept going. He had a rough game kahapon. A lot of misses for Maki Pellegrino this time, starting this game on a high note. Good sign if you're a fan of Davao region, as this is a 3 for Southern Tagalog.
Ito, Bayenting. You can see the trap at the mid-court line. Ibigay dito kang Maki Pellegrino. Now matching up against Gonzales. Pellegrino, ibigay ng pick si Sanoria. Able to pick it up. Bayenting to the corner. Cayetano, 3 on the way. Misses. And Baterbonia cleans it up for the first bucket of the game for Rene Baterbonia.
Davao region crashing the boards. They have the size advantage inside. Southern Tagalog, you can say undersized talaga sila compared to the matchup of Davao region. That time, 2 guys crushing the board. Baterbonia and Sanoria. And Baterbonia with an easy put in.
Oh, that was a difficult pass, but a good catch by Mamawag. 3 to shoot. Jacks it up. Comes up short. Here comes Rices Bayenting. He will take it across. The pull-up on the way. This time missed. Ball last touch by Calabarzon. Semi-finals itong si Direk Duterte. Mintis puts it right back. That won't go. Rebound by Baterbonia. Good.
Basket and one. Smart right here for Davao region, especially in the interior. They are crushing the boards. First personal foul. Early foul here for Direk.
But ball back into the hands of Rices Bayenting. Here comes Pellegrino on the high post. Labas kang Rices Bayenting. And there's that tight defense. Pellegrino, he'll try a 3 right at the buzzer. Pellegrino gets it right back. Puts it up and in.
Professional move right there by Maki Pellegrino. Goes for the fake.
Hanod ng mga diskarte itong Davao Eagles. Able to break down the tight defense ng Calabarzon.
Calabarzon, hindi pa nakakascore dito, and that is a turnover after the timeout. Here's Maki gliding! Puts it in!
You can see the athleticism, that great adjustment in midair from Maki Pellegrino. A 10-0 start for the Eagles.
Maki not settling for a lot of jump shots. This time, kahapon, we saw him on the perimeter, on the outside, forcing shots. This time, he is really aggressive in attacking the paint.
Pellegrino for Maki Pellegrino. Whoa, what a shot.
Just like that, right? 12-0 start, and Maki again, as we've been talking about, not settling for outside shots, not settling for forced issues, but really attacking the paint. And hindi pa rin nakakascore ang Calabarzon dito.
And there's the first foul on the Eagles.
To break into scoring column.
Mintis pa rin yung free throw from Gonzales. Lazada, Shopee at ng TikTok. And finally, Gonzalez converts on the second free throw. 1 for 2 from the line. And the first point for the Heroes ng Calabarzon. So, good start para dito sa Davao Eagles. Here comes Pellegrino. Aggressive. Puts the ball on the brakes. He drives. What a move by Maki Pellegrino. It's a Maki mania in the first quarter.
Maki hitting the Pinoy step on that play. And again, he's not falling in love with those jump shots. This time, alam niya kaya niyang atakihin ang loob. As that high-low play, Baterbonia able to read where that was going.
Here comes Bayenting. Finds Pellegrino. Thought about it. Instead, Bayenting, 3 on the way. No. Rebound tracked down by Duterte. Got tumbled there inside. And there's a whistle.
5 out of 7 from the 3-point area. Grabe, nag-init yung kamay ni Aaron Bayanban. And not just that, he was excellent down the clutch. And that was a bad pass.
Here comes a 3-on-1. Teka lang, natawagan ng traveling si Rene Baterbonia.
There was Bahinting was on the other side, could have passed it to him on the left wing.
4.5 minutes to go in this opening quarter. Here comes the Heroes ng Calabarzon looking for the first field goal of this gold medal game. 3-pointer on the way. Finally gets it to fall from Mamawag.
Mamawag with 3 big triples in the fourth quarter. Clutch time kahapon. He was delivering the goods for the Heroes. And Ray, baka makakita tayo ng same story kanina. A poor start from Sail Raa, but they were able to pick up their feet down the line.
Oh, look at that aggressive rebound from JM Sonoria. Athletic rebound for this kid. Bayenting 3 on the way. And rebound tracked down from Derek Duterte. Here comes Mamawag. Adrian Senyo. And Duterte skying for the rebound. Solid campaign for this kid. And a foul on JM Sonoria on the reach-in.
JM Sonoria, medyo may sa kay Coach Jess, lalo na sa mga offensive rebounds. As that put shot by Duterte, wala. Second effort is good.
Okay, using the right hand and gets the hook shot to make it a 14-6 advantage still for the Davao Eagles. So again, itong Calabarzon trying to stay within striking distance. Oh my! Look at that quickness of the spin from Maki Pellegrino.
Spin cycle from Maki Pellegrino. Losing his defender on that play. And Maki, kita natin, hindi siya nagsasettle sa mga jumpers and he's really attacking the heart of the defense.
11 on the shot clock para dito kang Mamawag who hit the first bucket of the game para dito sa Calabarzon. Here comes Panaligan. Babalik ang Mamawag. And here comes Davao playing zone defense. Swings it over to Mamawag. 3-pointer on the way. Yes.
And there goes the roll for Calabarzon. Shrugging off the slow start. Able to get a little bit of a rhythm here thanks to the 2 3-pointers ni Mamawag. This guy is a knockdown shooter. Gotta watch out for, if you're Calabarzon, you want to keep him going. You want to hit those threes. As this three, and he gets a block right there. Mamawag hit this time on the defensive end.
So we approach 2:17 remaining dito sa ating opening quarter. Mamawag into the paint. Duterte will try a 3. Way off.
Of Davao region are attacks from the interior galing kay Maki Pellegrino.
Estradante, bibigay kang Aaron Bayanban. Thought about it. Babalik ang Paul Estradante. Drives. Lost control of it as we're under 2 minutes to play in this first quarter. That's Senyo in traffic and he puts it in.
Over the 2 outstretched arms of Paul Estandarte. Off the spin pa yon. Senyo, gandang move nun.
16-11 for the Eagles ng Davao Region. Estradante batting his way against Duterte. Luwage for 3. Good box out from Derek Duterte.
Davao region cold on the 3-point area this time. Kahapon, they started things off shooting hot from the first period. Ngayon, medyo malamig pa ang Davao. Wala pa silang 3-pointers na naipapasok.
Bayanban off the fadeaway. Jumper is missed. And good box out rebound from Mamawag. So about a minute to go dito sa ating opening quarter. Duterte thought about it. Matching up against Estardante. Duterte goes to work. Spins, turns, shoots, misses. Here comes Rices Bayenting. Luwage goes to Estardante. Bullies his way. Gets it right back. And puts it in.
Second effort there for Paul Estandarte, catching Duterte off position to score. And now back to a 7-point lead with 30 seconds left in the first.
And somebody is down, and that's a foul on Estardante. And that's penalty for the Eagles. Sinag Liga Asia, led of course by Mr. Rocky Chan, the chairman, and President Boss Ray Alaw. And shout out din sa good friend of mine as well, Coach Ernest Alaw. So happy viewing sa inyo.
Yep. And happy viewing too to my family. All of my 3 families na nanonood dun sa bahay, nanonood to my watching this one, supporting his batch mates. Kasi my sister is also studying in Ateneo, and he'd like to shout out the Hegemonica Adu Senior High School 2025 alumni.
So last shot time for the Eagles. So a hard-fought first quarter para dito sa dalawang koponan na ito. Now 10 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. Bayenting goes to work. Wants to make things happen. Floater is blocked from Duterte. 9 to go. Here comes a forward pass. Luge heaves it up. And that ends the first quarter. This is the gold medal match sa pagitan ng Davao Eagles. They're having some struggles from the 3-point line, pero they're still ahead by 6.
Yep, strong start by Davao Region led by Maki Pellegrino. Where would they go without Maki? And they get a steal here, but Calabarzon was really able to pick up their good momentum, especially on the latter stages.
Luwage, 3-pointer, got it! That's the first 3-pointer in the second quarter for the Eagles.
Yeah, second quarter, first 3-pointer, and medyo malamig ang Davao on the outside. Itong Calabarzon, they already have 2 3-pointers courtesy of Mamawag.
Now 10 to work with para dito kang Panaligan. Luge from the foul line on the way, and 1.
Si Luge, isa din siya sa mga key guys ng Calabarzon as we've watched him with a little bit of a roll here to start in the second.
And gets the roll on the bonus free throw para dito kang Josh Luge to make it a 21-15 advantage still for the Eagles ng Davao Region. So here comes Aaron Luwage. Had a solid showing on the semi-final game against the NCR Metro Stars. Into the hands of Maki Pellegrino. Tightly guarded by Josh Luge. Fires the jumper. Rebound tracked down by Gonzalez.
Yun yung sinasabi nating Maki Pellegrino forcing shots. That time, bumabalik siya sa kanyang ginawa kagabi. With those poor shots with contested one. Calabarzon on their set, trying to cut this lead to a single possession.
Was a foul of the entry pass, and that's
Teams undefeated. Calabarzon, really a strong team to contend with.
oh, that's a turnover as that was a 5-second inbound violation. And there's a foul, and I think that's against Josh Luge. Second quarter. So a hotly contested game as expected here in this gold medal game. So we have 2 guys face guarding Pellegrino. Yun, nagkahiyawan na ang mga crowd, most especially from the Davaoenyo side. Here comes Damag with the first touch. Coming off the bench in the second quarter. Wants to make some impact in the gold medal game. Mabalik sa labas. Here comes Luwage. Pellegrino, tightly guarded by Luge, and that's another foul on Josh Luge. I think that's his second personal foul.
Luge, both against Maki Pellegrino. Itong dalawang player na to, nagigirian na. And look at them playing catch here.
Pellegrino splits the D. Puts it in and out. Muntik pumasok yung tira from Maki Pellegrino. Here comes Panaligan, struggling his dribble. Now being played by Damag. Panaligan puts it up. Can't score. Rebound, tracked down by Luge. And hold on, there's a stoppage of play. Somebody is shaken up there on the side of Calabarzon.
He has some masterclass of this coaching performance.
Luge off the inbounds. 3 is short. Rebound, loose ball. Mapunta ka Panaligan. Another attempt. Mamawag on the way and hits it.
third triple of the game para kay Mamawag. Cuts the lead to single possession. This is the closest Calabarzon has ever gotten into. But Mamawag again, this time hitting from the baseline
And that's the third person.
of Eagles.
Now here comes Rices Bayenting. Siya magtatawid sa bola para dito sa mga Agila ng Davao Region. But Pellegrino breaks free. Shot is up and missed. And itong Calabarzon, an opportunity to tie with a 3 or they can cut the deficit to 1 in the early portion of the second quarter. Lugi off the spin. Shot is no good. Wala mapunta kang Derek Duterte. And Baterbonia able to bother the shot but they still have the ball with 7 to shoot. Duterte pops out. Down to 3 seconds. On the move. Shot is good.
Derek Duterte
Leading the way for the Eagles ng Davao Region. Baterbonia gives it up to Maki Pellegrino. An outstanding first half so far for him, but he needs to step it up as they're only up by 2. Three-pointer, good!
First 3 for Maki, second one for Davao Region off the pick. Maki Pellegrino may bawi. At here's Mayor. Over to Duterte. Mayor Duterte connection. Duterte has been defended well, but we want to see him keep going, make this a very competitive match. So big moment here for Derek Duterte, hailing from Antipolo Rizal.
Friendly leader. Dito sa ating second quarter. Here comes Pellegrino. Racing down the court. Almost knocked away, able to pick it up. Pabalik dito kang Rices Bayenting. Now 14 to shoot for the Eagles. Pellegrino. Pabalik sa labas. Bayenting in trouble, down to 7 the shot clock. Hounded. Estardante slip. He puts it up. The banker won't go. And here comes Team Calabarzon on the fast break. Struggling with the dribble. Push shot is up and out. And ball knocked loose. At bola mapunta sa Southern Tagalog. As much as double digits. 12 to shoot para dito kang Mayor ng Calabarzon inside to Duterte. Against Baterbonia, battling his way and scores.
Duterte again with the basket.
At Eagles. Here comes Rices Bayenting. Now we'll try to set up a play as they're holding on to a precarious 1-point lead. Bayenting off the crossover. Look at that tight defense. Baterbonia for 3 on the way. Malakas. Rebound tracked down by Calabarzon.
Look at the backs out and the positioning of Calabarzon to not allow Davao Region get that offensive rebound. Chance here for the Heroes to take the lead.
Here's Derek Duterte going to... Runner is short. Loose ball and Duterte trying to save it. But bola mapunta sa Davao Eagles. The Calabarzon Heroes. So crucial possession if you're the Eagles. They want to increase this lead. Holding on to a 1-point lead. Luwage. Quick set. 3 is missed. And here comes Adrian Senio with the basketball. Another opportunity for Calabarzon to take the lead for the very first time. Mamawag siya magdedirekta ng traffic dito. Swings it over. Mamawag off the catch. Feeds Valencia. Tough turnaround shot. Gets it to go. And Calabarzon now has the lead by 1.
Perfectly said, Rain. Now Calabarzon, just like our battle for third kanina, slow start by CL Ra, able to catch up against NCR. This time, slow start kanina sa Calabarzon. Now they have the lead and this is a 1-2-2 zone defense for the Heroes.
In and out on the 3-point attempt from Rices Bayenting. So Calabarzon now has momentum. Holding on to this 1-point lead now inside. Tracking 3 defenders and a 3-second violation.
Able to take the lead in a few in these stretches. Now they are in again in this unique 1-2-2 zone. Now they switch to 1-1-2. What a block! Pangalawang block na yon.
Mamawa on a fast break. He takes it. The tip is up and in from Valencia.
Calabarzon Heroes on a roll here. And the defending champs on a scare, but still plenty of basketball left. Calabarzon really loving the play here for the Heroes. Perfect basketball they're playing.
That play was broken up by Adrian Sen.
Foul crowd, and the away team. And here's a three from Aaron and knocks it down off the bench. The Magic Bunot doing magic here.
And that's an equalizer from Aaron Bayanban as we're tied at 28. 3:15 remaining in the first half and very entertaining. 10 on the shot clock. Senyo goes to work. San Diego now coming off the bench. He puts it up. Can't score. Rebound. Who has it? And Baterbonia tracks it down. Pellegrino wants to make a run. Takes it right back. Inside. Ooh, misses the layup. And we go the other way. Palanigan. Nice feed. And San Diego with the bucket.
On that dunker spot, got two defenders committed upon him.
And that's actually Gonzalez who scored that last bucket para dito sa Calabarzon. And that's a backcourt violation.
Last on your screen, who is out with a hairline foot fracture. A big loss for Davraa.
So down to 10 on the shot clock. Gonzalez who scored that last bucket to give the lead for Calabarzon. 5 to shoot. Panaligan for 3 straight away. Hits it! And a chance for a 4-point play para kang Panaligan for this youngster. Para dito sa Calabarzon Heroes. 2:11 to go. Knocks down the bonus shot. Completes the 4-point play for Reinhard Panaligan. It's a 6-point lead para dito sa Calabarzon. So as expected, it's a hard-fought contest in the gold medal game. Moving pick from Polestardante.
Douglas, gotta give credit, as I said, Coach Jasper Magno is a basketball genius.
What a turnaround in the second quarter para dito sa Calabarzon after they were down as much as double digits in the first. Senyo. 2-point shot on the way. And here comes Rices Bayenting. Pellegrino. Baterbonia throws it down, but hold on, there's a whistle.
39 left.
Oh, that was an alley-oop pass, but that was broken up. And here comes Panaligan on the fast break. Takes it in, and another foul for the Eagles.
Afraid to get bumped and the contact. They didn't get the end one, but 2 free throws here for Reinhardt.
Rolls out in the first free throw, but hold on. Somebody stepped in too early.
Our friends there in Tagum to Boss Jezreel Sembrano and life-changing photography. So maraming salamat sa inyo.
You can check our online. And we would like to give a special shout out to well over 180,000 viewers sa ating Facebook Live. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta hatid sa inyo ng J Projects Polo sa probinsya ng Rizal.
Down moments here for Davao, but high moments here for Calabarzon, the team from Antipolo on a roll. Big second quarter here, making Davao be outside of their comfort zone. As another three here, second three, 2 out of 2. Aaron Bayanban picking up where he left off yesterday.
It's a 5-point lead now for the Region 4A Calabarzon. So 12 on the shot clock para dito Kamamawag. An outstanding first half for him, especially from beyond the arc. Makes his move inside to Derek Duterte, now coming off the bench. Splitting 2 defenders and drops it through and 1.
Through against the load of defense, gets the end one. Derek on the line.
Rebound. That's an athletic rebound from JM Sonoria. Bibigay kang Rices Bayenting. Now Baterbonia goes to work against Derek Duterte. He drives, blocked by Derek Duterte. That's a good effort. Good help. So 12 on the shot clock. Sa kami ngayon ni Maki Pellegrino matching up against San Diego. Maki Pellegrino using the strength and athleticism. Dalawang
Kamay na kanyang defender.
So happy viewing po sa inyo sa Panabo City and batiin natin isang magandang araw. Magandang araw po sa inyo dyan kang Mayor Jose
Panabo City, Davao del Norte, and to my tito Joel Perez watching this one.
Sandali lang, we have another whistle. I think that's a...
Ito ng DepEd when it comes to that. I think isa sila sa mga organizations really putting emphasis on those lane violations kasi all week long ang daming substitute free throw na nakita natin. Unlike to those other league na medyo maluwag when it comes to lane violation, DepEd really putting emphasis on that.
So 14 on the shot clock para dito sa Team Calabarzon. 3 on the way, overcooks that one. Hapay puts it up, rolls out. What an excellent offensive first half para dito sa Team Central Luzon. As the Calabarzon rather. Tend to work with. Pellegrino in trouble, finds Materbonia. They still have time, 5 seconds. Balik ang Pellegrino, down to 2 seconds. Fires. Blocked by Duterte right at the end of the first. Sa ating second half of action sa ating gold medal game between the Davao Eagles at ng Calabarzon Heroes. So here comes Rices Bayinting, will set up the first play of the second half. Pellegrino down the corner, being played by Mayor. Contested 3 on the way. And that's another rebound mula sa Calabarzon. Here comes Ali Mamawag, having a superb first half for him, lalo na from beyond the arc, itong si Ali Mamawag. Cross-court pass, almost knocked away. Mayor for 3 on the way, got it to fall.
Long three out there for Mayor. Lead is up to the largest now, 7-point advantage for Calabarzon.
40-33 para dito sa Heroes ng Calabarzon. Materbonia having a silent first half. Bayinting thought about it. Leans in, babalik ang Pellegrino with 6 on the shot clock. He drives, he puts it up, and the first bucket in the second half for the Eagles.
Maki taking matters into his own hands. That time it was a good defensive play for Calabarzon. They were able to double team Materbonia on the post, get the ball off of him. But Maki Pellegrino steps up at the right time. Here's a 3. Tight corner, doesn't matter. San Diego extends the lead to 8.
That's Richmond San Diego with a 3-point shot. Napakagandang rhythm from beyond the arc itong Calabarzon Heroes. And they're now on top by 8. Materbonia with a difficult catch. Luwage inside. And 2 free throws coming up for Aaron Luwage.
Leans in for the foul.
At may isa-shoutout pala ako. Gusto kong isa-shoutout to Project Sports.
Luwage on the free throw line. Big free throws here for Davao Region. He was able to cut the lead back to 6, but it's Calabarzon taking control of the game. They're dictating the pace, dictating the tempo. Sila yung nagdidikta kung saan nila gusto tumira, and fina-force nila ang Davao to take those uncomfortable shots.
Here comes Pellegrino. Looks to make his move. Ball knocked free. And
one step ahead against Davao Region. That day, I saw that play many times this tournament at pumapasok yung pasa, but that time, they were able to disrupt it.
Pellegrino trapped at the baseline. And that's another foul, this time against the Heroes ng Calabarzon.
Ng Calabarzon, they're executing it well, just like
They really need the services of Maki Pellegrino in terms of scoring as he converts on the second. 4-point game, 2 minutes gone by in the third frame. So here comes Ali Mamawag, this time directing traffic para dito sa Calabarzon. Gonzalez fakes the pass, babalik sa labas kang Mamawag. 10 sa kanilang shot clock, being played by Matt Cayetano. Panaligan pulls up, jumper, banks it in off the glass.
Panaligan, big time step up right here. He's backing up the scoring for his team. Parang pangalawang beses ko na yung nakita. Panaligan getting to his spot using the glass off that jumper.
Cayetano lost control of it.
Doesn't really let Matt Cayetano get to his spot because of the good defense ng Calabarzon.
So Calabarzon, their confidence is at a very high level dito sa gold medal match. Knock loose, last stop Duterte. And Rene Materbonia, now here comes the post up and draws the foul. And of course, shoutout natin sa ating mga kababayan sa Agusan del Sur and the rest of the online stores sa J Project Clothing Shop, sa Shopee, Lazada at ng TikTok.
Back to an 8-point lead here for Calabarzon. Will Davao catch up, but that will not help their cause. That's a steal. Duterte bumping bodies, makes it a 10-point lead. But Materbonia was out of the map on that.
Excellent showing on the offensive end mula kang Derek Duterte, leading the way for the Heroes ng Calabarzon, as this team are composed of players from the city of Antipolo. Pellegrino 3 on the way, overcooks that one. Luwage picks it up and draws another foul, and this time against Derek Duterte.
They have up into the championship match, secured.
The Davao Eagles down by 9. And rebound track down para kang San Diego. Sama niya si Mamawag, Duterte, Gonzales, and Panaligan. Here comes Duterte using his quickness in the baseline. Rebound tracked down by Aaron Bayanban. Bayenting lost it. And Panaligan picks it up. He'll shoot a three. And a foul against Maki Pellegrino. So free throws coming up para dito sa Calabarzon. And thank you very much for watching the live stream hatid sa inyo ng J.
Rehan Pamlian, and sa dalawang pamangkin ko si Nana and Shasha Valverde.
Ayun, lumaki na ang kalamangan ng Calabarzon. An 11-point lead for the Heroes. 6 minutes to play in the third quarter. Pellegrino attracting a double team to the corner by Yanban. Baterbonia with the rebound. He's trapped underneath. Patience. Shot is missed. Ball for the rebound, and there's Derek Duterte.
And gusto niya, maswing na yon sa Calabarzon.
It has been an outstanding ball game, but Bayenting picks it up. Pellegrino on the drive, lays it up and in. The Davao Eagles still within striking distance, 9-point game. Plenty of basketball dito sa ating gold medal game. 5:38 to go in the third quarter. Duterte, strong move to the cup.
Outmatch talaga si Rene Baterbonia. Look at that. I think Davao needs to do some doubling on the post. Kaya ng ginagawa nila kay Baterbonias. There's a steal again. Mamawag drops it. Gonzales triple fake.
Mintisintira, putback, goes over the top of the backboard.
Talagang si Rene Baterbonia, no match sa kanya. Pinaupunan ni Coach Jesse Rene Baterbonia as he will try to put a bigger body against Duterte in Paul Estandarte.
11-point advantage para dito sa Calabarzon region. Bayenting sizes the disadvantage and Valencia takes it away. Great help sa defense para dito sa Calabarzon. Really bothering the ball handlers ng Davao Eagles. Duterte on top, fakes the three, attacking, one-handed, rolls it in. Amazing third quarter performance this time from Derek Duterte.
Derek Duterte taking Estandarte to school. That time hindi niya binangga, but he created a separation of that spin kasi parang medyo mas malaking body itong si Estandarte. There's another rebound. Hindi pinapayagan ng Calabarzon makakuha ng offensive rebound itong Davao, and Derek Duterte really having an outstanding showing here.
A breakout game for the Calabarzon Heroes here in the gold medal match, and that turnaround is missed from Derek Duterte. Bayenting in trouble, lost it. And there's a foul against Aaron Bayanban. Project Sports.
Derek Duterte really putting the pressure against Davao region. And itong Calabarzon already seeing some daylight here to get the championship and to get the gold medal. Davao region, well, where they go?
Nice drop off. Valencia lays it in. Great unselfish play. Great team basketball ng team Calabarzon region.
Great cut also para kay Valencia, and that penetration, butas ang depensa ng Davao on that play. Excellent pass.
And this time around, Maki Pellegrino draws the foul. Basketball and our products sa Sinag Liga Asia for this upcoming Junior World Showcase sa Cebu this coming July. For Maki Pellegrino, 13-point game, 3:21 to go in this third quarter. So maganda yung performance pa rin in this third quarter basketball para dito sa Calabarzon.
After that fast start ng Davao, they have gone really cold on their game plan here.
Pellegrino accelerating, pushing the pace. Rebound tracked down by Baterbonia. And two more free. Mintising is powered by J Project Sports. That free throw is good. Under 3 minutes to play dito sa ating third quarter. So nagpapatuloy pa rin yung momentum from Calabarzon Heroes, and they want to apply more pressure against the Eagles ng Davao region. Duterte, he'll try a three. This time comes up short. And here comes Pellegrino racing down the court. Drops it off to Shason, lost it. And here comes the 3-on-3 fast break. Panaligan off the hesitation, has to dribble back out. Half-court set para dito sa Calabarzon. Duterte from top of the key. He'll try again. Ooh, that was spinning out. And here comes Rices Bayinting. Pulling up. Jumper off target. So the outside shooting woes continue para dito sa Davao Eagles.
Calabarzon again holding off Davao, especially on their sets. And this time they're trying to get the ball over to Duterte on the post.
And that's 2 free throws coming up para dito sa Davao Eagles. So first shot is up and that's good. Tingin po sa inyo dyan, Christian Bahagi.
14 na ang kalamangan ng Calabarzon, and Calabarzon really putting the pressure against Davao. They just have to keep this one if they want to get the gold.
Paterbonia, he'll try a 3. And the cold shooting woes continue for the Davao Eagles here in this third quarter.
The confidence of Davao has gone low. Medyo forced na yung mga tira just like that against Paterbonia with hand in his face in Duterte. He took that one. Here's Duterte again on the post, trying to get the shot here.
Misses the hook shot with the left hand. Luwage thought about a 3. Great closeout from Panaligan. Paterbonia playing physical against
Between him and Duterte inside.
Knocks down Calabarzon Heroes. They're still on top by double digits. 1 minute and 18 remaining dito sa ating third quarter. So Gonzalez goes to work. Ali Mamawag now being played by Aaron Bayanban. This guy having an outstanding gold medal match so far. Itong si Ali Mamawag. 7 to work with. Mamawag goes to work. Step back, long 2. Paterbonia with the rebound. And here comes Maki Pellegrino. The Eagles wants to trim down the deficit to a 10-point game. Taken away by Derek Duterte. Forward pass to Gonzalez. And Bayanban with the foul.
Very good in scouting their opponents.
And so second free throw coming up. And that's another rebound, this time from Paterbonia. So 42 seconds to play. Dito sa ating third quarter. The Eagles wants to trying to trim down the deficit. Foul line jumper. And rebound.
Bonus is here if they're unable to convert those 2 shots this time, containing etong Davao region to their game. Medyo off yung second free throw ni Paterbonia.
So we're down to 25 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter of play here in the gold medal game. Itong Calabarzon wants to extend the lead on this possession. San Diego now tightly guarded by Luwage. Down to 10 seconds remaining. Duterte has to fire away as the shot clock was winding down. They still have time. 7 seconds for Pellegrino. Damag, 3 on the way. Can't score. Pellegrino could not get the shot off as the buzzer sounds here inside the EOS Calabarzon Heroes, especially right now dito sa ating fourth quarter. So this team, the Heroes ng Calabarzon, are composed of players, majority of the players from the St. John Wirtz Integrated School sa Antipolo City. They're hoping to cap off this magical run with a gold medal.
Ito namang Ateneo de Davao University, Evangelio was very supportive for the Davao region, but they're down 11 here. Lots of things to do. They want to retain the crown.
3 on the way, and that's a missed shot from Rices Bayinting. Patuloy pa rin yung malamig na tira. The cold shooting woes continue in this fourth quarter para dito sa Eagles ng Davao region. And a blocking foul.
Pace, tempo of the game, making Davao earn their shots.
8 to work with para dito sa Calabarzon. Fakes the pass. 3-pointer is missed. Gonzalez. Offensive rebound. Loose ball. At ball mananatili sa Calabarzon. 7 to work with. The drive. Knocked away. Blocked by Sanoria. Fast break, here we come. Paterbonia. Almost knocked sa mga Agila ng Davao region. Now Pellegrino has to make things happen in the fourth. He drives and scores. A minute and a half gone by in this fourth and final quarter. Exciting finish for the gold medal. Valencia, great contest by Baterbonia. Pellegrino racing down the court. He drives, misses the layup. Baterbonia was fouled. Here's our elite play of the game, hatid sa inyo ng J Project Clothing Eagles in the hopes of capturing back-to-back gold medals in high school boys basketball. That's perfect from the foul line, and the Dabawenyo contingent crowd has come alive in the fourth quarter. Here we go, into the hands of San Diego. The noise level has gone up. San Diego, short on the three. Fast break, here we go. Damag rims out, but two free throws coming up for Aldamag. Councilor Ian Catalan, and also to wala po sa Panabo City. Free throw is good for Aldamag.
Would have been a three-point play opportunity if that went in. Davao crowd now getting involved. Calabarzon will need nerves. Big possession para sa kanila.
Duterte now at the high post. Looks to stop this run. Aggressive. Back out. Three-pointer. Races the ring. San Diego gets it right back. Still has possession. That's Mamawa going to work from the foul line. No go. And Baterbonia with the big boy rebound. Here comes Pellegrino. Racing down the lane.
Project Sports. It's a three, Baterbonia.
Overcooks that one. Would have brought the house down dito sa Prosperidad. Still plenty of basketball remaining. A two-possession game. We play on. Here comes Derek Duterte. Muscling his way. He puts it up. Blocked by Baterbonia. The cleanup. Rolls out. Another chance. That won't go. Baterbonia stepped up his defense in the fourth. Pellegrino. All the way. Baterbonia gets it right back. Ball is knocked loose. Ball will stay here with the East to the gold medal. Pellegrino. Got it! Big time three from Maki Pellegrino. And he has cut the deficit to a one-possession game at the tawag ng timeout.
Outs play now, crowd getting involved again. Calabarzon, let's see ano ang magiging play ni Coach Jasper Magno. No, he's a coaching wizard. He'll have to settle things down here para sa kanyang team.
Ball into the hands of Mamawag, having a solid outing in the gold medal game. Tightly guarded by Damag. Mamawag, tightly guarded. Inside to Duterte. Having a mismatch against Maki Pellegrino. Duterte, the kick out. Three on the way. Got it from Panaligan as he silences the Prosperidad crowd.
Yun yung sinabi ko, Ray. Coach Jasper Magno is the coaching wizard. Off that curl from the pin down screen. Panaligan silences the crowd.
Ball back into the hands of Pellegrino. But he lost it. Fast break, here we go. And Panaligan takes it all the way. Layup is good.
And just like that, a quick 5-point swing back to an 8-point lead para sa Calabarzon. Great timeout right there by Coach Jasper Magno. He was able to settle the nerves of his team and got back on track.
Rises by Thing. Mintis yung tres. Long rebound tracked down by Damag. Thing thought about it. Attracting two defenders. Pulls up. Another missed shot. Forward pass. Here comes Reinhard Panaligan on the fast break. Fakes and scores. Reinhard Panaligan scoring the last 7.
Itong si Carlos Plotenya, Dirk Galapon, and Jibril Matalam from Davao.
Back to a double-digit lead for the Heroes ng Calabarzon. A little bit.
Yun na nga, Ray, yung after the timeout plays of Calabarzon, able to settle the nerves down. Back to a 10-point lead with under 5 minutes to play as there's a 3 here from Luwage. That's a big miss.
As Pellegrino tracks down the loose ball. Balik sa labas kang Pellegrino. Great closeout. He pulls up. Jumper is up and missed. Rebound mapunta kang Mamawag. At momentum bumalik sa Calabarzon.
Perfectly said. Davao crowd again has gone silent here after that 7-point personal run ni Reinhard Panaligan.
Here comes Derek Duterte. Looks at the shot clock. Down to 8. Here comes Rain Panaligan with 5 to shoot. Goes to work. Down to 1 on the shot clock. And that's good defense from the Eagles, able to force the shot.
Really able to hold things off after that run ng Davao kanina.
4 minutes to play in this gold medal game. Must-score situation for the Eagles. Pellegrino, Cayetano for 3 on the way! Wow! But still a 7-point game after that big-time 3 from Matt Cayetano.
Good find right there. Unselfish play from Maki Pellegrino, finding Matt on his favorite spot on the corner. Big time shot for Mr. Cayetano.
7 to work with. Mamawag on the pull-up. Jumper's good. Quick answer for Mamawag ng Calabarzon.
Remember, this guy was clutch yesterday on their game. 3 3-pointers down the stretch. This time goes for the pull-up.
Pellegrino misses. And rebound tracked down by Gonzalez. At bola mapunta kang San Diego. I think Calabarzon deflected, knocked away. And here comes Davao Eagles on the fast break. Cayetano, same spot, same result. Down to a 6-point game, Ron.
Excellent play there by Rices Bayunting, pushing the action. Seeing Cayetano again, big time clutch 3 down the stretch. From the same spot, same result for Matt.
Down to 7 the shot clock. Mamawa goes to work kontra kang Luwage. Step back, 3-pointer. That's good! Quick answer para dito sa Calabarzon.
Back to a 9-point game. This guy is so clutch. His 4th 3 of the game. Second basket here in the 4th quarter down the stretch. Maki attacks.
And Baterbonia missing the rebound attempt. That's Mamawag all the way for 2. We approach 2 minutes to play as Calabarzon now has a double-digit lead here in this final frame. Pellegrino will try a 3. This time is short. And another rebound for Calabarzon. And the Heroes are about to sense it here in this final period.
Calabarzon sensing blood here. Their bench already starting to have some celebration as this guy has put them away.
Mamawa puts it away! Big time basket after big time basket in the 4th quarter. He has been the crowd silencer in the 4th quarter in this final period. Hope to see you soon. So we're under 2 minutes to play dito sa ating 4th and final quarter. What an outstanding ball game. This is a magical run para dito sa Calabarzon. Another missed shot. And that has been the theme of this game for the Davao Eagles in the gold medal match. The 3-point shooting woes has been costly in this gold medal game, and I could see the frustrations, the disappointment. Having a solid game, but unfortunately, it's not yet enough para dito sa Davao Eagles. Bayunting will try a 3. Luwage with the offensive rebound. Putback is up. That's another missed shot. And there goes Derek Duterte leading the way in this magical run para dito sa Calabarzon. Specifically from the in the semifinals, and now they're just a minute away from capturing the gold medal. What an outstanding campaign, led of course by Coach Jasper Magnoron.
It will be a different years for Davao too, as it's all here for the team from Antipolo.
But nevertheless, these two teams will be winners kasi itong Davao Eagles will have the silver medal, samantala itong Calabarzon, what an outstanding morning. And Coach Jasper Magno, I'm pretty sure na he's in disbelief of what he has achieved, what he has accomplished with the young boys. Itong Davao Eagles, Ron.
Motions here. But of course, this is sports. Buhay. So yun nga, sabi nga ni Kuya Kim, ang buhay ay weathering. We will see some players here na maglalaro pa next year. We might not see some also.
Here comes Bayunting for 3. And there's the rebound by Duterte as we still have 32 seconds to play dito sa ating gold medal match. And Coach Jess Evangelio and Coach Jasper Magno exchanging hands. And these two, the dream has come to a gold medal match, a gold medal game. The dream has accomplished. I have no words to describe with this accomplishment from the Calabarzon Heroes. The Calabarzon Heroes will get the gold medal in the high school boys basketball tournament of the 66th edition of the Palarong Pambansa. Still, congratulations to the Davao Eagles. They will get the silver medal. And there's your final score. The Calabarzon Heroes 79 and the Davao Eagles 62. So congratulations to the Calabarzon Heroes, the gold medalists of the 5-on-5 high school boys basketball tournament.
What a run here for Calabarzon. Lots of things has happened. And great coaching also. Jasper Magno really leading his team to victory here. And tears all over the place here. Not just for the players but also to their parents who have gone